Welcome to our detailed guide on how to enable Show Category on Profile on X, Twitter, for a more enhanced profile experience. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the X app on your Android device. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on your profile picture situated at the top left corner of the screen. Next, select the Profile option to access your profile settings. Within the profile settings, navigate to and tap on Edit Profile to make any desired changes to your profile information. Scroll down the page until you find the Edit Professional Profile option. This is where you can customize and refine the details displayed on your profile. Within the Edit Professional Profile section, you will come across the toggle switch for Show Category on Profile. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the On position. By turning on Show Category on Profile, you have the ability to showcase your profile category information to others on X, Twitter, providing a more comprehensive view of your profile. Upon completing these steps, your profile will reflect the changes made, offering a more detailed and informative profile experience for both you and your audience. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled Show Category on Profile on X, Twitter, allowing you to present a more complete profile to your followers. Enjoy the enhanced profile experience on X, Twitter.